Welcome to the Make It New Challenge hosted by KiKi DIYs and Be Thrifty too. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Welcome everyone, and in today's challenge, our host wanted us to pick anything in our home of our choice to decorate and revamp and bring life back to that piece. So I decided to take this wooden box tray that I've had not too long, that's also a thrifted item, and to revamp it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping, tablescapes, and much more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop me a comment down below, and I will return the love. Make sure you show some love, everyone, to our two hosts, KiKi and Jessenia. Make sure you go by their channels, like, comment, subscribe, let them know that Uniquely Tay sent you. This home sign here I purchased from Target. The original color was white. I got it from the dollar area at Target, and I decided to paint it like a light golden brown, and I wanted to sparkle it up with a little gold glitter. All right, everyone, right here I am applying a generous amount of hot glue and wood glue. Make sure you apply lots of pressure and hold. If you have something heavy like a can or a jar that you can actually put on this sign, it really helps with the drying process.